What's the meaning of a clockwork orange? A clockwork orange. 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 A Clockwork Orange is a novel by Anthony Burgess that explores the idea of free will versus societal control. The title refers to the concept of humanity as a biological machine, capable of being wound up, like a clock, and controlled through conditioning. The story follows the character of Alex, a teenage gang leader who undergoes an experimental behavioral modification program that leaves him unable to commit violent acts, ultimately robbing him of his ability to choose. The result is a commentary on the dangers of forcing conformity and the importance of individual choice and agency in society.